5 Blender tricks you probably didn't know. Don't select this manually. Select these faces. Press H to hide them. Now hover inside. Press L, and you instantly select the inner part. You can also save this selection. Don't select these one by one. Select one, skip one, select the next. Now hold Shift and Ctrl, press plus. Keep pressing plus. Blender continues the pattern. Start with a cube. Subdivide it a few times. Go to Mesh, Transform, to Sphere. Set it to 1, and you get a perfect sphere. You duplicated this object. Then you realized you want to add something to all of them. Select them. Go to Object, Link/Transfer Data, Link Object Data. Now edit one, and they all update. Stop spacing duplicates manually. Make one copy. Move it once. Then press Shift+R, and Blender repeats the same step. Subscribe for more Blender tips.